welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Patrick, the BU Boss, and you are in the right place if you love all things personal branding, beauty, and business tips, because that's what I'm sharing with you here on this channel. I definitely believe that there is an intersection between your business life and your personal life, and that is where you find your quality of life. And so we're going to talk about all things in between as it relates to your business, developing a personal brand so that you have the right message that you're speaking, both verbally and non-verbally. So if that sounds like something that you love and are interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and at the end of this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because it's very helpful to me in growing my channel. I am on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers by June, so please, please, please share this video with anyone you think needs it. All right, let's talk about what we're doing today. So it is springtime, guys, and I am loving every minute of our weather. Even though Texas has a little bit of iffy weather, you never know what you're gonna get from minute to minute, hour to hour. But as of late, we have been having some beautiful weather and I have been enjoying my backyard immensely. Today, I wanna share with you my spring capsule wardrobe that I have pulled together. If you remember correctly, last year, I did a series called The 5 C's to Be You. And one of those videos was called Minimize Your Choices so that you can optimize your options. We'll definitely make sure that I have that in the description box so that you can take a look at it. But in that video, I talked about creating a uniform for yourself, and that all goes towards the personal framework that you've created for yourself. We've talked about that a number of times as well. But when you do that, it helps you to sort of determine what you want your message, your nonverbal messaging to be as you are getting dressed, when you're working with other people, when you are building out your brand for your business. And when you put all of that together, you can create somewhat of a uniform that you want to wear, and that way it makes it very easy for you to shop and then pull pieces in your wardrobe, and they all mix and match and they work well. I recently heard it said, and I think it's fantastic advice. It was from Politics and Fashion, or Fashion and Politics. I'll have to look it up. But anyway, Tashara talked about not buying outfits, but buying those pieces that you need in your wardrobe. And I love that advice. I think it is fantastic. And so I'm gonna share it with you today. Don't go buy outfits this spring. Buy those necessary pieces that will help you mix and match your wardrobe and help you create that uniform that you have set for yourself. So today I'm going to share with you I don't even know how many pieces that I've pulled together for my capsule wardrobe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is obviously the white shirt. It is a staple in everybody's wardrobe. I picked up this one. I don't even know where I picked this one up. It may be one from H&M, I'm not sure. But I also picked up this blue one here, which you can see I buy them oversized. This is an extra large and it fits me really nicely. I love, love, love having these two pieces in my wardrobe for spring. Some people do the striped blue shirt, but I chose to just do the nice blue shirt and the white shirt, and they will go wonderfully where I am wearing them with a nice pair of denim jeans, boyfriend jeans as a matter of fact. The next thing I put in my wardrobe is this top, and it has the tie that is blue and white. And I put this in my wardrobe sort of as the dressier t-shirt, and I think it looks really nicely with jeans. It's not your ordinary t-shirt, but it's a nice little solid color. And I think that the tie detail gives it a lot of interest and makes it fun to wear. Here I have it paired with a pair of white denim jeans that I also think is a fantastic thing that you could put in your capsule wardrobe for spring. I know typically people say you don't wear white until after Easter, but I mean, who follows rules these days of fashion? The fashion rules are your rules for yourself. So I put them with a nice pair of white denim jeans. They are Old Navy jeans, by the way, and they are the boyfriend Old Navy jeans, and I absolutely love them. I think I got this top from, I don't even know where I got this top. I've had it forever, but guys, that's the beauty of having a uniform, because when you know what you like, I think if I remember correctly in that video, how to minimize the choices to optimize your options, I talk about me wearing lots of neutrals. I love blacks, whites, navies, creams, and grays, and then I try to add pops of color. So I want you to come back next week, because next week I'm going to be sharing with you how I put those pops of color, how I add those to my capsule wardrobe for spring. Right now we're just talking about my basic pieces, and the basic pieces are the black, the white, the cream, the navy. And I do have a small pop of color in a jumpsuit that I'm going to show you later, but yes, this is sort of the t-shirt version. Some people get the t-shirt with the shoulder pads. I chose not to do that, and the shirt, my shirt instead has this nice tie detail that is blue and white. The other thing that I will keep in every wardrobe, whether it's spring, summer, winter, fall, is going to be a pop of animal print. I absolutely positively love this top. I got it from H&M a couple of seasons ago, and I just think it's fantastic. It's a nice thin material. You can see, you can see through it. But yes, this leopard print, it has the sort of balloon sleeves with the elastic around it, and it's sort of 3/4 length, so it really does work well when it's warm outside, and I just love it. If you see here, I've paired it with a nice pair of off-white denim jeans, and those jeans have amazing detail at the bottom of them. I at first was kind of like, I don't know if I like them, but I actually ended up liking them very much. But yes, for spring, I will always, in every collection that you see, will always have a pop of leopard print or animal print, because that is just something that I adore in my wardrobe. Absolutely love it, love it, love it. So yes, I added a leopard print blouse to my spring capsule wardrobe. The next thing I added was this nice H&M dress. You would have seen this dress inside a video I did last year when we were shopping for my daughter Hannah summer clothes for the kids, and I wore this in that video. But yes, I pulled this down out of my summer wardrobe. This is a fantastic shirt dress, and it is so comfortable, easy to wear, and you can just throw it on with a cute little jacket if you want. As a matter of fact, one of my other capsule wardrobe items is this oversized blazer. Oh my gosh, guys, this blazer is amazing. I absolutely love it, and it's so lightweight, and you can put it on. Right now I have on a dress, but if I were to go somewhere today, if it were cooler, I could just throw this on, push the sleeves up. I could even belt it around the waist if I wanted to, but it is an absolute wonderful thing to have in your wardrobe. So definitely pull this down out of the closet, the oversized lightweight blazer. Love it. Another dress that I have that I got for spring is this beautiful dress that I got from H&M. I haven't worn it yet, but you will see it in the video where I'm wearing it. It's a nice dress. It has amazing detailing here, as you can see, with the buttons. So nice. It's got the buttons, and then it's got the nice little holes here that are gorgeous, and then it ties around the waist, but it's nice and flowy, and I absolutely love this dress. I can push the sleeves up, wear it with a nice little sandal, and I absolutely love this dress. And black, even though it is a darker color, when you wear it with a pop of color, maybe in a necklace or a scarf or a cute sassy shoe, which I have an amazing pair of Steve Madden mules that are a citrine green color. It's wonderful. I just gotta get used to walking in them because they're quite high. So it's definitely not gonna be one of those situations where I'm doing a whole lot of walking in these shoes. Definitely something where I get to be cute from car to seat and from seat to car. But you can add beautiful pops of color to your black this spring and summer season and make them a little bit lighter for the wear. Now let me see, I think I told you I had these jeans. Now these are the boyfriend jeans that I got from Old Navy. These are the darker washed jeans, but I also got them in more of a lighter wash, and I absolutely love them. Now I will say these are button fly. I'm not the biggest fan of button fly, but I do love the fit of these jeans. They fit me oversized. This is the darker pair, and what you're gonna see here is me wearing the lighter pair that I have. The only difference is one is a zip fly and they're lighter, and then one is a darker wash and it is a button fly. But I love this, and you'll see me wearing it here with a button down, my light blue button down, and my Coach belt. Absolutely wonderful to wear. And then I also have this skirt, which is really fun, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more about this skirt next week because it's part of how I am adding color to my wardrobe. So I will share that with you in that video. Oh, let me show you the jumpsuit. So sometimes you have to, I find I'm speaking, or I am going to events, since we are all able to get out a little bit more, and this jumpsuit is one that I wore in a video where I was talking about my business. It's a brand video that I did, and I really love this jumpsuit. I bought this a while ago, last 2 years. before COVID, actually, I bought this. And I did a video shoot with this. Guys, the wonderful thing about this is that my brand color, these are my brand colors. And so again, it's all a part of my uniform and what I love, the black, the white, and then a pop of color with the lavender or the purple. So it is staying true to who I want to be with my brand. It's speaking my brand message, and it's also staying in line with my uniform. So I think that does it, everybody. I have given you a ton of pictures that I'm working with my capsule wardrobe for spring. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and tell me what your favorite spring wardrobe piece is, and let's continue the conversation. If you like this video and want more of how to incorporate your uniform into your wardrobe and to speak your brand message, please let me know. I'd be happy to do that. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Instagram is AF Patrick and TikTok is AF Patrick Official. I would love to communicate and engage with you there as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a fantastic spring.